Hello and welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's make a frittata. We're going to use some spring onions, some mushrooms, goat cheese and a bunch of eggs. I have then sliced the mushrooms and I used mainly the whites from the spring onions and I put them in the pan. And then I had some chanterelles, put them with some butter in a pan and started sauteing them. I grated the goat cheese and then I added them to, believe it or not, 18 eggs. So this is going to be a large frittata. It actually fed 8 people. Okay, so I'm whisking the eggs, adding the goat cheese in there, salt and pepper to taste. And once that's fully incorporated, just leave it to the side. Okay, so I'm going to season the mushrooms with a little bit of citrus seasoning. It's really good. And then to this, I'm going to add 2 pressed cups of spinach. That means I press the spinach down into a 2-cup container, just folding them in there until they start to wilt, and then I add the egg mixture to it. 175 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Had it set and looked like this. Then it was time to plate it. Took 1/8 of it. It's a really large piece. I was really full. It's really a lot of food. And then just a green salad. There we go, low carb frittata with mushrooms and chanterelles. That's really good. I'm going to enjoy this and the salad. Thank you for watching. Bye.